Okay, how does my hair look, guys?
Do you want some in the front, some in the back? Because I just want to separate it. There we go.
I love that. Hey Pila fam, welcome to Plastic Free July. It's Amy, and today my assistant is Shay. We're both really big into makeup and skincare. Sephora knows us really, really well.
By name.
Yeah, by name, first name basis. And the challenge was to go through all of our makeup and try and find items that in fact don't contain plastic packaging that we could do a look with. And
it was not easy.
It's alarming once you kind of do a full
Scan of your makeup inventory, nothing.
However, we did manage to get a few things. And so today we're gonna do a classic YouTube style makeup tutorial. So Shaylee's glasses have now disappeared. And we're going to use Boscia. This is their hydrating essence. I like to give my clients a little massage.
I'm gonna fall asleep.
Boop. Okay, so the next step that we're going to take is follow it up with a primer. So a shout out to a company that's doing amazing things, Ren. Again, glass packaging. They're really working towards becoming much more sustainable in everything that they're doing. Big fan. Ooh, it smells so nice.
I know.
Holy, it's got a little bit of tack to it, which is fine. It's exactly what we want for the foundation to hold on all day. You're so pale.
It's a little bit light for me right now.
Yeah?
So this is the NARS Sheer Glow Foundation. It's in a glass bottle. Also, if you guys have any tips for us, some all glass packaging or your favorite sustainable brands, we would love to know about them.
Oh, you're so pale. So we're gonna move right on to bronzer. Start light.
Shouldn't I be doing this?
You could do that, but I like the smile better because it pops your cheekbones up properly.
Oh yeah, get in there.
Yeah?
Yeah, contour that chin.
So we've got Shaylee nice and contoured. It's not a heavy contour because it's just a daytime look. We just wanted to add some summer glow.
My mom always used to tell me to put blush on because I look dead.
Don't tell your kids that. You know what? We're gonna use actually one of these eyeshadows as a blush because I really like these colors. Oh, that's cool packaging. So it comes sitting in there, and this is all paper. We'll recycle it after.
Yeah, this is a really good idea. If you're going to buy a new eyeshadow or a new blush, it's great to ask if they have refill pans, and then you can just put them in your own palette, and you don't waste any of that extra plastic that they usually put them in.
Definitely. Start at the cheeks, obviously, and just build it up a little bit. It's good because that's where naturally you would flush anyways.
Yeah.
So that's what we're trying to mimic, is healthy skin. And this is what it would look like if you were outside. I don't know. What do you do outside?
Getting some sun.
Just getting some sun. Running?
Sure. Drinking on a patio?
Yeah, that's probably. So yeah, we're gonna tie everything together and in fact just use the same color shadow that I used for her blush as actual shadow. So you could do an entire crease look with this if you want. I think for during the day, just a nice wash of color over the lid. So just take a little bit, start at the base and then work up because that's where your color will be most concentrated. Okay, let's have a look. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, so next thing we're gonna do before we do eyeliner, because that's how I like to roll, is brows.
Brows is pretty easy because you can find just a regular pencil. No plastic on them.
No, exactly right. Okay, so we've got the brows filled. Cool, so we're gonna liner. So we don't need a lot, just a little bit at the base of the lash line. Just to make your lashes look a little extra full. And just anchoring that beautiful peach. Let's give it a little smudgy smudge.
I think being a model for YouTube videos should just be a job, and I want it.
I think it's called modeling.
Oh.
It's true for the stars, man. But I'm just saying that I believe it is a profession. And then last thing we're gonna do is lipstick. These guys, I like Vapor so much.
So do I.
Oh, that's a nice color. It's a pink.
I mean, it's my lipstick, so. Vapor is an all-natural brand. They make everything in glass and metal.
Metal, yeah. And they're organic too, the entire line, I think. And
Yes, they are.
cruelty-free
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
yeah. Here, let's layer the lip look. Actually, this might do it. Well, this is a good color on you. Okay, give it a highlight. It's a thing. So we'll just do a pop of highlight. I feel like it just makes me look like a disco ball.
Nah. How do I look?
Really good.
You can totally take it off after. It's not working.
That doesn't give me any confidence.
So thanks so much for joining us for this makeup tutorial. It was really quick, easy. Like most things me and Shay do, not highly professional, but I hope you enjoyed it nonetheless. It's just a quick day look, and we tried to use as much of our products that didn't have plastic, and it was really, really hard. But we have taken stock, and it's gonna help us make better choices going forward, and that's definitely something I think you and I are both committed to doing. So.
Absolutely.
Thanks for joining us, guys, on Not Cooking and Composting.
We need a different name.
Thanks for joining us on Cosmetics and Composting.
We just made that up.
Yeah.